In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Calendar ownership. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hand off control of a calendar so the right person can manage events, sharing, and settings going forward. First, open Google Calendar on a desktop browser. In the left sidebar, find the calendar you want to transfer under the My Calendar section. Hover over its name to reveal the options icon, which looks like three vertical dots. Click that icon to open the menu for just that calendar. This ensures you're working on the correct calendar, not your entire account. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the calendar's specific settings page where all permissions and management tools live. If you manage multiple calendars, double check the calendar name at the top to confirm you're in the right place. Now, scroll down to the section where people who have access are listed. You'll see entries for each person with a permissions dropdown next to their name. Click that dropdown to view the available permission levels. This is where ownership can be reassigned. If you don't see the person you want to make the new owner, share the calendar with them first and give them permission to make changes and manage sharing. Only then will the transfer option appear. Also note that only the current owner can transfer ownership, and certain organization policies may limit who can receive ownership. In the permissions menu next to the intended recipient, click Transfer Ownership or Make Owner. A confirmation window will appear explaining what will change. This step is important because ownership affects who can delete the calendar, change its visibility, and control who else has access. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Transfer Ownership again in the prompt. You may see a notification and the recipient will be informed. After the transfer, the new owner has full control and you typically retain access based on the new owner's sharing choices. If needed, you can ask them to keep you as someone who can make changes, or they can adjust your role at any time. A few quick tips before we wrap up. You can only transfer calendars you own. Built-in or read-only calendars can't be transferred. If the option is missing, verify you're signed into the correct account, you're viewing the right calendar, and the recipient is listed with sufficient access. If your organization restricts ownership changes, you may need admin help. That's it. You've successfully transferred ownership and ensured the calendar is in the right hands.